what role do you think South Africa, be it ANC or any political party, the ruling parties in South Africa, or the business community or anyone, what role can they play? Because it looks like these protests pasi panapa yakanaka, but panoda kuti pange paine strategies and nekutsvaga different ways and means zokuti zvive nemeaning, zvive nepower, zvikwanise kuti vanhu tibatsirike, because makuseni so ndamboverenga imwe unyatsoona bootlicking yacho kuti yakamira sei. Ndaverenga imwe comment like a congratulatory message kuna Wikinews Chivayo pana page ya honorable Tatenda Materere. Saka vanhu vakawanda vanga vachishamiswa kuti, but say this page it looks like a page ichi isinei kuti it's a personal page. Saka someone abvunza ipapo chandinakidza manje that question yekuti ko page ndeyako here personal kana kuti ipage yauri kuitira vanhu venyika sezvo uri minister. Saka comment iyoyo chandinakidza yaitwa liked by Opam Chinguri. Saka zvinoratidza kuti even within ZANU-PF kune vanhu vasiri kuzvifarira zviri kuitwa, but navo havana voice. So voice yatinenge tinayo isusu pamaspace akaita saanaya inogona kutobatsira kupa vanhu power kuti this is what we need to do. All right, and chadi kutora nguva yakareba ndichitaura, nhasi anyei kutaura maningi. Thanks, I don't want to take advantage. Child of Zim, go for it, my sister. Thank you.
Sorry, Mama Bunza Mbunzo wakuti. Sorry, Child of Zim, can I interject a bit? Mama Bunza Mbunzo, what can ANC do?
Okay, yes. Sorry, thank you. Yes, go for it.
Okay. Saka nyaya iripo ku ANC as our neighboring country and as a country iri kutosuffer from the effects misgovernance in Zimbabwe is just to stop sanitizing elections ukuthi hana kuitwa zvakanaka. We saw Ramaphosa achimanya kuya kuZimbabwe kuzosanitize elections anganzi neSADC hana kufamba nenzira dzakanaka. So we tend to wonder kuti zvino kana iye ari Ramaphosa president, instead of stopping and kuti no, comrade president, this is not right, let us correct the anomalies, or at least ask him to make corrections of what happened in 2023. Hapana, the very same things which happened in 2018 was even worse in 2023. And I want to believe if there are elections in 2028, it's going to be more dramatic. In fact, I don't think there will be any elections, but there will be only pronouncement of what Mnangagwa ndiye president or whoever with ZANU-PF. My elections are in Akidza. Such and kumbira ku South Africa is just to stand up and say, no, this is not right. Can you hold your elections in a transparent manner? That one will help even the the southern region, yes, kuti ikwanise hold my elections are in order. You know, South Africa is the most developed country in Africa. Ichibuya sanitize my elections here. What are they doing? And don't forget again, kuti we are suffering because of the effects of South Africa. In 2008, there was supposed to be change of governance in Zimbabwe, but because of Thabo Mbeki, we are still where we are. Because aka sanitizer food. Saka South Africa, instead of helping the Southern Africa, the smaller countries around it, it's even making it worse. So ndo zvandingangopindura chete. Thank you very much.